Hello everybody, we are going to be making some trinket trays today. They're going to be like an Easter-esque theme. Really, they're just going to be colors of Easter. They're little twin star themed, truly. So I'm going to use this. This looks really dirty because it kind of is, but right now I am using green wood. It is the E6000 craft resin. This one seems kind of old to me. I don't know what that's about, but it's like the packaging, or not the packaging, the product was old. Like it's been in the store for a little while. That's what I mean by old. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do 60 in total, so 30 and 30. And then we'll go from here. And so for the directions for mixing this up is you mix for 6 minutes, transfer to another cup, and then mix for another 6 minutes. I don't usually do that because a lot of brands tell you to do that, mix it in one cup, then transfer to another and everything like that. But I don't really feel like doing that. I never really do. And I mean, my resin always turns out pretty fine. Well, it turns out fine. Yeah, I just kind of wait. I'd mix it for about 7 minutes, I want to say, and it's usually getting hot by then. If your resin is hot in your hand in the cup, then it's good to go. It's all well mixed. And I usually do a hot water bath, and then for air bubbles, you're supposed to turn slowly, stir it slowly, but I'm always having trouble doing that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I separated out some resin, and I'm using this heart mold. Probably need to run over it one more time with some alcohol because it looks like it has some stuff on it. But I also have these sprinkles, so I'm gonna plus some of these sprinkles in here. Welcome back, everybody. I'm in a different location, so the lighting's a bit different, but I got my white pigment. I have my already mixed resin. I'm putting that white pigment in there. I'm gonna put some white powder, some mica powder from Elves Resin. I'm gonna put a generous amount. I don't necessarily want all of that. Okay. Alright, so I got my 2 trays here, and the light's coming from this way, so that one's all blurred out, but I'm gonna go ahead and pour.